Welcome back to Nails for Sanam. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that notification bell for future uploads. So I'm featuring today Allstarry Chrome nail powder. This is not a regular nail powder, but it's magnetic. So it has a cat eye effect. So we are going to check that all out. So here's the box and it comes in 4 colors, and I'm going to open this, and I got this in a 9D ocean colors. So these are really pretty color. It comes with this magnetic wand which you can create beautiful cat eye effects just like this. It's a dual end magnetic wand. So this is really pretty and it has all the instructions on how to use them. Now I'm going to check out the chrome powders, and these are decent size jars. You can create about 100 plus nails with this amount of jar. So I have green, blue, purple and pink. These are like a mermaid style colors. You can use them to make jewelry, nail art, slime or epoxy resin art, whatever you like. And it has it moves. It is really holographic. I really like the cow. Look at them. These are really pretty colors. What do you think? So you can create stunning magnetic effect. So we're going to test it with the gel polish. So you're going to apply the base coat plus the gel polish, and you're going to cure in between. For the demonstration, I'm just going to apply the color directly. So here I chose a black color and I cured it for 30 seconds in my newly purchased lamp, and I have a review coming up for that too, so check that out. And I'm going to apply a top coat. This is a clear top coat, just one layer, and then we're going to use this chrome powder by Allstarry to test their magnetic effect. So I chose this purple shade, which is really pretty. And while the top coat is still wet, I'm just going to take the brush and apply the chrome powder. Now the wet top coat will help me pick up the powder easily, and you can apply it as desired. And now I'm going to take this wand and test it out. So you're going to hold it like a few millimeters away from the nail. Make sure it doesn't touch it, and wow, look at this. It's such a beautiful effect, isn't it? Now I'm going to cure this for 30 seconds, and this is how I created the blue and the green, and it came out perfectly. They are absolutely stunning, and you can create 100 plus nails with this amount of jar. It is absolutely amazing value. Now let's check with this other wand. So I apply the same process, and then I hold the magnet just like this, and this one has a beautiful effect too. Look at this, how beautiful. So I hope you find this review Allstarry chrome powders helpful, and you can apply the magnet until you get the desired effect, and then you can cure it. So I'm just playing with the magnet and see how it reacts at different angles. So I'm going to cure for 30 to 45 seconds, and it has amazing effect. I really love the chrome powders, and share your thoughts in comments and how you like it, or have you used it. I have the link in the description box if you like to purchase, and make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time with another video. Till then, bye bye.